It's more than 5 years that I'm acting here at the university as the chairman of the board. If there is something that I'm proud more than anything else, is the establishment of the Youth University, led by Shira Shofti. To my opinion, it's something very unique, something that we do on a voluntary basis, something that we do really to close the gaps of the Israeli society. There is nothing more important than education for closing the gaps of the society. The Youth University can really do the job. The Youth University is very unique. The Youth University brings pleasure to everyone that works with. And you will see now the children that are great, they are wonderful. I'm telling you, there is nothing makes me more happy than to sit with them, talk to them, listen to them, hear what they have to say, and see how happy they are when they finish their studies here at the university. I really hope you enjoy this afternoon, and there isn't something that will make you more happy than to be part of this Youth University friends. And I wish all of you to feel happy, so join us if you feel like it.